Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today we are going to be looking at how to start your own YouTube animation channel. So, have you been wondering where and how to get started? So, today we are going to be looking at that.
To create a YouTube channel, you're going to go to this place. This place that they write to you at the bottom of your screen. Click on you and you're going to click on create a channel. Now, they say, how will you appear? Now, you are going to pick a picture for your channel. You're going to pick a picture from your channel from your phone gallery. You're going to pick a picture. Let me say I'm creating an animated channel, so I can just use this one as my channel profile picture. Save as profile picture. Now you are going to edit the name of your channel here. You're going to edit the name of your channel. Let's say give me 5 possible name for my animated YouTube channel or folklore on folklores. Give me 5 possible name for my animated YouTube channel on folklores, and you're going to send it. So they give us possible YouTube name. So you can come here. Let's check this one. I like this number 4, Legends Alive. So you copy it, you go back and paste the name of your channel, Legends Alive, and you can save it. And then this is your YouTube handle, and you click on create channel, and your channel have been created. Yes, your channel have been created. Now to upload a video, you're going to come to here and you're going to create a video.
So, guys, I want us to check how lucrative an animated YouTube channel is. I want us to check other people that are already doing channels like this, how much they are earning. So, let's go to our YouTube and go to YouTube. When we go to YouTube, we'll type what? African folktales. You see, look at some of the channels that are already doing something like this. So let's actually click this channel. Let's check this channel. Now, this channel has a total of 11.7 million views. As you can see, she only made 236 video with AI. She doesn't show her face. She uses AI for this particular channel, and they're gathering up to 11.7 million views. That's massive. In the last 30 days, they already have 394,000 views and 11 videos. She only made 11 videos and she's gathering such amount of views. So now let's check how much this channel is actually making. Now we'll copy the channel link. I will go to so to do that, we are going to go over to this browser. So look at how much this channel actually makes in a month. In the last 30 days, she has a total of 3,000 subscribers, an estimated monthly income of 98 to $1,600. Video views, she have 390. This is just without showing your face. So you can imagine how much you are going to be making in a year. In a year, this channel is estimated to be making around $18,000. That is in Nigerian currency, it is making close to 18 million naira. So is it not wonderful? Is this not the most easiest way to make money? Like without just stressing yourself. So let's get started.
Go to your Play Store and look for v.iq.
vidIQ. Now you're going to see this particular app. You're going to install it. You understand? You also come back and look for YouTube Studio. Then you download it, you install it. Then you also come back and look for YouTube Body. You download it. This is it here. Install it. And that's it.
Laptop or the desktop version, you are going to go to your browser. You are going to go to your browser and type vid. You click on add to Chrome. Another thing you are going to go is to look for YouTube Body, and you click on the Chrome and you're going to add to Chrome. Another one is social blade extension, and you would add it to your Chrome. And I add it to Chrome. When you've installed the extensions for those extensions, when you've installed it to your extension, so let's take a practice of something. Let me show you guys something. So let's look at African channel, African what's folktale. Let's take a look at this African folktale. Now, these are this thing we installed. This is the extension. If you're with your phone, you're going to have the app. Now, this is the extension. They said that this African folktale has a very high score for its tags. These are the top related opportunities. Now, these tags here, you are going to use it when you are uploading your videos. Now, let us see how this video is faring. We're going to go ahead and open this on a new tab. And this is it. So you're going to scroll down, and this is the video analytics. So this is the search that this particular YouTube channel used for their folktale story. Now we are going to come over here and copy the whole. This is just like this tags is what this is just like hashtags that made them to go viral. You understand? So you are going to copy this hashtag. Click on copy. Copy all. So we have copied it to our tag. As you can see, this one has a total of 1.8K subscribers, and this one has a total of 8.1 thousand subscribers. So this one have 20. This one, okay, this one has 1 point distinct subscribers. Okay, let's check this one that has 80.5 thousand subscribers. So let's check her channel and see something. Now, you can see how the video took off. She started from 0 views, and from 3,000, and the video views what skyrocketed. So this is her thumbnail. It was this before she changed to this. So let us take a look at this. She has a total view of 742.2, and this is actually her tag. So you can as well come and copy it. When you copy it, you are going to go back to your YouTube channel, the YouTube channel we just created. So you're going to come over to your YouTube channel, then you go to the YouTube studio. Now let's take a look at this. When you get over here, you're going to come over to this place and click on what? Setting. When you click on setting, you are going to leave this in US dollars. That is the place you want to be the currency you want to be receiving your money from. You're going to come to channel here. This is the most important setting for your
for your channel. So let's take a look at the country of residence. We are going to leave it as Nigeria. Now, this place is where is the most important part. That keyword that we copied from the other YouTube channel, we are going to come here and paste it. So we're going to go ahead and come to our this thing and copy and paste the this thing we copied from the other person's channel. We are going to use a someone's channel. We are going to use channel that is already like having a lot of subscribers and is already successful. You understand? And this is what you are going to do for your own channel. Then you click on save. When you click on save, you are going to okay. No, sorry, you're going to go back there. Channel. Now we've put our hashtag. Then you come over. So you're going to come to advanced settings and this is it. They said, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? You're going to come here and say, no, set this channel as not made for kids. I almost never upload content that's made for kids. That's okay. Now you're going to click on this and that is it, and you're going to come to feature eligibility, and this is enabled. So you're going to come over here, this intermediate features. Why should you do this? Because of, if you do not do this, you cannot be able to upload videos that is more than 15 minutes. You are not going to be able to use custom thumbnails. You're going to only be using the thumbnails that YouTube give to you, and you are not going to be able to live stream. So we are going to come over here, you're going to click over here, and you're going to verify your phone number. You click on verify phone number. You're going to click on text me the verification code, and let's use Nigeria. Let's use Nigeria, and you type your phone number. So you're going to go verify your number, and when you're done verifying your number, you're going to come to this place that's advanced feature. Then you are going to either, they said you are going to enable one of this. So you are going to either provide a valid ID, a video verification, or a channel history. Channel history is when they say the channel history, follow our community guideline to build channel history for most creators. This usually take up to 2 months. But if you don't want to wait for up to 2 months to start using the advanced feature, you're going to use a very video verification. When you click on, when you are done with verifying your number, you are going to come here and verify and do your video verification. When you do the video verification, they're going to tell you to snap your face, and when you are done with all of this, you click on save. So this advanced feature, what you can be able to do is when someone steal your content, you can be able to lay claim to that video. You're going to tell YouTube is going to give you a notification and you can be able to flag such video down. Now let's come to upload default. Now if you want to give a default title to all your videos, but it's not necessary because all your videos cannot have the same title. But here, if you want your videos to have the same description, here is how you are going to get a very catchy description. You go to ChatGPT, and yeah. So you tell ChatGPT, give me. So you're going to tell ChatGPT, give me a catchy description for my YouTube channel that tells interesting and captivating stories. The channel name is, you are going to put the name of your channel in inverted comma, and you are going to send. And ChatGPT is going to automatically generate for you a captivating description for your video. So this is what they gave us. You can actually tell them to make it a little bit longer. Said make it a little longer and add my channel name. So you're going to copy it. You're going to copy what ChatGPT gave to you, and you're going to come over to the channel and paste the description it gave you. Now you are going to, if you have maybe your Facebook handle, your Instagram handle, you're going to come over here and look. And what you're going to do is first of all type www dot. If it's Facebook, you're going to write Facebook www.facebook.com slash, okay, no, slash your Facebook name, but this is actually a faceless YouTube channel. So if you have a faceless Facebook page, you can go ahead and put the Facebook page here. So you are to give you can leave this title like this because all your videos cannot have the same title. Now, when you after adding your www.facebook.com/ your Facebook name or your Facebook page name, you're going to come to visibility and either put it on public or private, depending on what you want. If you put it on private, you are going to whenever you want to post your video, you are going to decide if you want the public to see it or you just want only you to see the video. So I'm going to be putting it in public, and here in your tag, the tag we already copied for the other channel page, that's the same tag we are going to be using for this video, and we are going to come over here and paste it. You're going to come over to community, and you're going to leave this as it is, and you're going to come over to default. You're going to leave your comment section on, and message in your live chat, you are going to leave it on. You're going to keep it on, and then you save. Now, do not forget that whenever you want to upload any video to your YouTube channel, you are going to go to the video and look with the extension that is downloaded on your laptop. You are going to copy the tag of that video and come and add it to your own video.